Good morning. I am going to make some meatballs because I have a cousin coming over for dinner on Sunday. Bree just had a baby, so I'm going to make a huge batch so that I can take Bree some and have dinner with my family on Sunday. This morning I posted a picture of these pants. Everybody loved them, so I know you're going to as well. I was so bummed though because these exact ones are sold out. Rightfully so. But they have a very, very similar pair, just without this. So you'd wear your own belt with it or no belt. And then I'll also post some similar ones because they are just the most, every time I wear them, Joel is like, I love those pants. These are actually Olivia's and I'm borrowing them. Okay, so I will put a link for the pants in the description along with the recipe for the meatballs, which I'll show you right here.
Something awesome. Dad's always wanted it.
What? Okay, Lincoln just walked in and he said, Mom, you better be recording this. Let's hear it.
On the side of the road.
Wait, where on the side of the road?
So you know when you're going up that little hill and turn? I saw something blue in the bushes and I was like, it's gonna be a wasp. So I thought, well, anyway, so I grabbed it, a big Yeti mug. It still had a bit of water, so I emptied it out. Dad said this is awesome.
And there's no way to know whose that is.
Oh yeah, but the thing is
Lincoln.
well, Dad, he was getting blood work done, so he wouldn't have seen me because I was laying on the grass. And then
Why were you laying on the grass?
me and Boston, whenever we're walking home, we stop and lay on the grass for a minute. And then Dad didn't see me, so I stood up and waved, and then he stopped.
Picked you up? Oh my gosh, Lincoln, that
This thing
is
is
so
tight.
funny.
This is
You're gonna
awesome.
have to wash it super good.
Oh yeah, Dad was telling me on the drive about that.
He was telling me on the drive about that?
Yep. And there were a ton of sunflowers.
Yeah.
So they were like pretty big.
Yeah.
So I would get my bat, hit, if it would hit right in the middle, it'd go flying. And when I hit a wasp, it went flying. But I watched it, it went like this. Straight up, it was awesome.
I mean, that sounds like a lot of fun.
That seems like too much.
Too much what? Sauce?
No.
Meatballs?
Bugs. Can't get them down.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah, it smells almost like raspberry cream soda.
I picked it out just for you. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, I picked it out. It kind of smells almondy. I picked it out just for you.
Yeah, almond soy almond.
Because
No, it smells like the caramel pump you would put in like Sprite or that. Aw,
I'm so glad
Thank
you
you.
like it. You're welcome. Lincoln requested some bubble bath, which I thought was really fun. And if he still would love bubble baths, I used to keep a bunch in stock in the house, but I don't take bubble baths anymore because, you know, pH issues. I will say, with the kids being gone, doing the dishes and keeping the kitchen clean is much, much harder because they're such good helpers. However, is my eye red? Why is it so blown out? I will take doing the extra dishes because being able to cook in peace and quiet was very, very nice, I must say. And when Joel saw what I was cooking, he was like, oh yes. He's like, last time you made this, the house smelled like this for days. And it smells delicious. You know how much I hate waking up and it being dark outside.
Good lady. You need a treat?
I think we're out of treats. Oh, sorry, lady.
Did it rain last night?
Yeah. Did it rain? It was raining so hard.
I woke up and I couldn't remember if it was a dream or if like I just like imagined it. But, like I love when it rains, and so like I checked the weather to see like if it would be raining today, and it didn't. And I was like, I think I made that
I
up.
checked the weather, and there is no rain on the forecast.
Yeah, and I'm like, no,
It was raining like
I swear,
crazy.
like I swore it rained. That's why I'm wearing a hoodie today. I'm telling myself it's fall and that it's cold outside, but it's in fact not cold outside. It's like
not.
80,
Yeah.
but I just want it to be fall. I just want to like wear my hoodie.
How cute is that?
I know.
Okay, I have a question for you guys. Who heard me and Dad barrel down the stairs last night?
What?
You barreled down the stairs.
Who heard?
Not me. I got up at like 1. Like, I just woke up at 1.
I was still away from the rain.
Well, it was 1:18. The front door blew open and slammed against the
Who did lock it?
Luckily we had the door stopper. Otherwise, I swear to you, our door would have been shattered last night. I do not know. That door is always locked.
Oh, you unlocked it yesterday when you came outside.
When did I come outside?
When, remember when you were like,
Talking to Lincoln.
when you
Oh
sprang?
my gosh, it was me. It was me.
So you guys like ran downstairs because you thought like someone broke in?
No, do you know what's funny? The other night when you got asked to the dance and her date like pounded on the door, I was like, Joel, grab a bat before we go downstairs because it was so scary. It sounded so scary. But last night in our like dead of sleep, we both popped out of bed so fast and like parallel bolted down the stairs. And I don't know how we both knew it was just the door. I don't know how we knew. But Dad went to close the door and I was like, I'll get the alarm. And I seriously was like on a dead sprint to the alarm because I did not want it to go off. And we just like looked at each other like, what just happened? Got the kids off to school and I am getting ready to close a vlog that I have been working on for a long time. And by I mean like me and Joel, the kids, whatever. And I just got off the phone with one of my, can't even say one of my sisters. I gotta say which one so that nothing gets misunderstood in a bad way. I just got off the phone with Julie and we were discussing our holiday plans and it just got me so excited about the holidays. And I don't think I've had this like a genuine excitement for the holidays in a minute. And so it just made me feel really excited. Do you like my laundry pile? Okay, I don't know. Do you guys have like a certain area that you put all of your dirty clothes in your like bedroom or bathroom, and then when you leave, you grab it and you take it downstairs or like to the laundry room? That's what we do. Our dirty clothes always go right there in front of the shower on the floor. Maybe we should like figure something different out, but you know, it'll never change. That'll be what it's gonna be for probably the rest of our lives. This may not be very exciting to you, but this is something that is so fun for me. So let me show you what I do. Whenever I get finished with a product, I stick it up here in this cabinet. Those are all my empties. And then when I get enough of like a genre, or if there's just so many, I'll sit down and make an empties video. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love showing you empties that I repurchase because so many times creators online are showing you all these products. And if you notice the products that I share with you, I share the same ones over and over and over and over and over because I like showing ones that I actually use. And when I find products that work for me, I just stick with them. But I'm constantly trying new products in between. And so I just thought a long time ago, years and years and years ago, like I just get really overwhelmed with products being shown to me. And a lot of times I get overwhelmed even just sharing products with you. But I also love doing it because I'm a product junkie. Okay, so let me show you all the empties. So this is all like the, obviously skincare genre. And I'm gonna start in the order that I apply them on my face because that just feels like it makes sense. Okay, this is the Glow Recipe Toner. You can see this one's my empty and this one's my brand new full one. Definitely worth repurchasing. This should be its own video. This is gonna be way too long. You know what? It's just gonna be long. It is what it is because I have to explain. What is a toner? A toner is like a liquid serum, but is meant to even the skin tone. And most toners have a dual action. This one is a pore tightening, hydrating toner. So toners are going to, one, even the skin tone, and then whatever type of toner it is. So this one's a hydrating one. I'm a dry girl, so I put this all over my face, and then it makes it so that when you put your lotion on, your lotion doesn't just get sucked up because you're so dry. This goes in and like primes your skin for the moisturizer. So I put this on and I don't feel like I'm suffocating anymore. And it genuinely evens your skin tone. Anytime someone compliments me on my makeup, I'm like, you're not complimenting my makeup, you're complimenting the skin. The skin, it's the skin. This is a fun one for me. Okay, so then after you do the toner, at nighttime, I use this. This is a blemish serum with retinol in it. And I keep getting these blemishes down around my neck, like on my chest. You can kind of see up on my skin just a little bit. Retinol is gonna help with your fine lines. I didn't start using retinol until about 35. So I put this serum all over my face. This one's the empty. It's kind of like gunky. And this is the new one. I have two moisturizers. Since I just showed you a retinol, that's the one I use at night. This is the heavier cream that I use at night. These are two empty things because usually I use it during the day and at night because I just need a lot of hydration. So these are the empties and you can refill it in here. This is halfway gone. I'm obsessed. I've never had a cream that I like this much. It's kind of like a gel cream. The consistency is so good. It gives like this like amazing look to the skin and it just really keeps me from being dry. So I use that one morning and night, but we'll just say night. I didn't want something so heavy for the mornings and I didn't know if this little hydration lotion would be good enough, like strong enough. Got this small jar. This is just your morning moisturizer that you can put on. It is way more lightweight, but it still is really good. And it has all the like dewy benefits of your cream. So I did go ahead and get the full size version of this. And then this is so good. So this is my new one. This is my full one. These are niacinamide dewdrops. Here's what I do with these. I add these to my foundation. I don't care what foundation you're using. Add a few pumps of this and it makes you look like this. Do you see this? Like kind of glowy, shine, moisturized look. And it shears out your foundation because the older I have gotten, less is more. And you don't want to see the makeup, you want to see your skin, and so that's where this comes in. This doesn't have a shade, it's just clear. So when I'm pale and I have my pale foundation, I mix this in with it. Well, I got tan this summer and I didn't want to buy a whole new foundation, and I don't use the foundation very much, like I use a very small amount. I add in the Sun Glow. These are the tinted dewdrops and it takes my foundation to a darker color and it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So those are my empties. I hope you enjoyed me closing the vlog by showing you my skincare. It's my favorite thing. I genuinely love skincare so freaking much, and I've gone through these. I've had so many of these empties, it's not even funny. Like I go through them like it's candy for my skin. Okay, that's all. I'll have them linked in the description for you. Love you, bye.